Real Weber shit. Penny X.
Hi, good morning, everybody. Luke here with Silent this morning. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday. Welcome to Shisha TV Day 10. Um, without further ado, the market already started. So let's get to it. Silent, you here?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, brother.
What's up, brother? Good morning. Hopefully
What's up?
everyone's doing well.
Everything is good. Give me a second. Let me add you to your thing. All right, we can see your screen, brother.
Let's go. All right, so real quick, let me full screen it. So right off the bat this morning, we have a large opening range gap. So we're not really considering a drawdown into 50% because it's over the 125 point threshold. We can see a return down to the upper quadrant. We're opening in a premium today, so our immediate draw is wanting to see a slight discount. So I've got some arrays here that I would like for price to drop down into before we catch anything to the upside. Again, from yesterday, we're bullish. Okay, we're gonna be bullish until the end of the day. And what I'm looking at is this large wick on the weekly chart from the 24th of March. All right, and that buy side is right there at 20,536. I'm not expecting 536 today. but I want to work the levels in this wick, the quadrant levels here. And right up at the upper quadrant is this weekly volume imbalance here. So it's a new week opening gap there. The low is 356. That's my target for today. If we want to stop just shy of that, we have a little smaller fair value gap here, in which we could target the low and the consequent correction of that as well, 245. So regardless, we have a nice 200, maybe 100 points of price that we wanted to work with if it'll offer it to us. Otherwise, we have the same on the downside for our opening range gap quadrants, right? I mentioned yesterday in the chat that since this candle closes a doji like this, I like for it to attempt to build it more than halfway. So it'd be nice if they at least can close Friday's candle in the upper quadrant of this doji. So the lowest that I would want to go today is 947.50.
Good morning, everybody, and thank God it's Friday.
Good morning.
Good morning, bro.
So just hopping right down into the 15-minute chart here. I don't really have anything to say much on the 1 hour because it's just a one bold up candle. We don't really have any levels to work with besides coming all the way back down to the midnight opening range high. I'm watching the wick here derived from the 15-minute chart. This is a 15-minute balanced price range. So the close to the high of the 830 candle is what I'm working with. If we reach anything below the midpoint of that wick, we're going to have to start considering a deeper draw into the opening range quadrant levels. Price made a nice pit stop on this delivery here. They did a balanced price range in this area from 20,025 to 20,050. Tap into that wick now. And this down close candle, it's our most recent down close candle in the 5-minute structure. I'm paying attention here around the news. We're gonna have news at 10 a.m. today. It's gonna tell us, the speed and the way that price reacts as it reaches down into this down close candle is gonna tell us, can we rally from this area, or is it just gonna use this as a reason to seek the 830 fair value gap, the upper quadrant, and the rejection blocks here. It's already doing the rejection blocks in one candle, you can see that. So that's the the open of that 840 5-minute candle being tagged right now. So everything on this down movement, I'm not really buying because I'm bullish, right? So I'm not really believing that we're gonna go much lower than this. We're just simply taking out south side. I don't know if Soul is in here, but Soul is the one that mentioned that all that south side liquidity building up as we rallied. We put in a nice trend line liquidity there. Good shout. Soul, that was good. We kind of pair our confluences there because check this out. This is what I was trying to show you. So This is an inversion fair value gap. 910 candle. And the reason why I was looking at that is because it's the first fair value gap that formed after 9 o'clock. So it's our 9 a.m. first presentation. So for news today, it's just at 8:30. It was the non-farm payroll, of course, on the Forex factory at least. Let's see. Nope, nothing else on the president's schedule either. So maybe this down move initially this morning is just going to be a standard due to swing. Seek a quick discount, and we'll get our rally that we're looking for. I'm not really sure why the Forex factory doesn't show that there's news at 10 a.m. I guess whatever news this is on Top Step is just I don't know. It says it's high impact. We'll see. We'll see what we get at 10 a.m. It doesn't show up on Forex Factory at all for me. I don't know about you guys. Does your Luke? Does your Forex Factory have?
I didn't check, bro.
I got you. News at 10 a.m. Dinga TV took the inversion fair value gap. Good stuff. And on my YouTube stream at least, but look at that first presentation fair value gap. Good reaction off this rejection block. I'm waiting a little bit for us to put in better candles here. This is a this is a nice reaction from the 5-minute rejection block and the close. The close of this. No, sorry, this is the open of this down close candle. So we reacted nicely off that order block, but I don't like how they just put in this as a wick. So I like for them to do a wick test. If they don't do a wick test by 9:50, then we'll just have to start longing the fuck out of it until we get to 20,200.
Hey, Anathan.
What's up?
Yeah, what's up, Anton? So we're returning right back into our 9 a.m. first presentation. So now it's gonna, since we did not rally strongly to this level just yet, we have potential to see that wick test. Okay. After, it can be either inside this minute candle here, or it'll wait the 3 minutes and do another drop down. I would much rather see it try and put a candle body in that wick on this 5-minute chart. It's gonna be weird if it doesn't. On the 15-minute, we have that fair value gap, which is, we're measuring the high of the 8:30 candle. The fair value gap here, this buy center balance, is the high, or the low of it is the high of the 8:30 candle, and the high is the low of the 9 o'clock candle. We drop down into it, hit this, rallied, and coming back and being there's kind of being sensitive at the close of this candle. I'm watching on the lower time frames to see if price will what it does on the next open, because if we close this green, Yep, more than likely just need to do a wick test again. Otherwise, if they close it green, like above the low and above the close, with some strength there, we would want to immediate rally. So depending on how green this closes, we're either wanting to anticipate a test of this wick that we're putting in 1 minute, or we're wanting to see it just blast off with an immediate rally. And the way that I'm going to measure that is if we close the 930 candle at least 25% of this down close candle. So it needs to close up here, right? It needs to close at 104. Otherwise, drop right back down to the first presentation for us. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. And we'll just have the order block on there. Got 5 minutes to 9:15. I'll do a dashed line on the rejection block. The 15-minute candle close. See that? We need to pay attention to how strong we accept price above the midpoint of this wick. If there's sensitivity at the wick and a reason to decline, we're gonna get a retest down here. But if we can close 50% of this wick, that's very strong. Very strong, and would not need a wick test. Nothing really interesting for me to try and trade just yet. Okay, so yeah, we could not close a candle body at 9:45 or 9:46 above the constant encroachment of that wick of the 5-minute chart. Drawing right down on the first presentation, fairway gap. There's a small fairway gap here, but I'm using this one because it's larger. And it's outside of this structure. So this is the chart balance. And we have a buy sign balance cover over top of it. Essentially a balanced price range here if we can turn around and go higher. I'm waiting for the 5-minute candle to close. See how much of a down close candle it prints here. Okay, cutting right back through first presentation fairway gap. If it closes too strong down here, it's going to be a little bit more problematic, and we'll see I need to draw down into the upper quadrant of the opening range gap, which is 20,019. Let's see what we get. 950 started. Okay. We put in a nice bold down close candle here. I want to see sensitivity. We should not need to come back down into the open there. Or sorry, the close of that. I like to test a take a long entry. I put a retest the first presentation for everybody up for us. If it rejects strongly here, then we have quite bigger problems, and we'll need to see this 830 for everybody to get traded back into. Okay. Some volatility coming in here. That is not quite a good reaction. So let's see if it drops down to the upper quadrant there. We're not going till Sunday, baby. We're going on Sunday. 2 days. Okay. Yeah. We can go do something fun today, though. I'm gonna take a short here. See if we can drop down into the upper quadrant. Okay, take a 5 here. I tried to press the button, it wouldn't let me click it. If it gets really bad, we could come all the way down into the midpoint.
Sir, he's too powerful, sir. He's about to take the payout, sir.
Alright, let's close it back. I don't like it coming back up against me too much like that, but yeah, locked in, boys.
1.6k in the bank, you know.
Yes, sir.
You can just call
Literally,
it a day, you know.
That could be it. And if they want to do some fuckery today, we'll be avoiding it entirely.
Yeah, I don't wanna influence you, but if it was up to me, it's 1.6k already, so I'll just close the account.
Yeah.
But then again, If you wanna risk that 200, it's up to you, man.
That's true. Maybe let's see. Let's give it a few minutes. Let's give it at least till 10. If anything, I
Alright,
won't do anything with 10 micros. It'll be a 5 micro position.
let's go. At least risk 100, 10
Yeah,
points.
exactly. Because if anything, I can just try and get it back. And yeah, it's riskier opening yourself to a bigger position because you already got the payout locked in. But yeah, if you take a loss
I
on
was
it,
eating.
it just can't be a loss.
When you opened the trade, I was eating, so I had to hurry back in order to tell you, sir, he's too powerful, sir. He's about to take a payout, sir. And Luke is loving his shisha, sir.
Dude, look at that. From our shore, it went right down exactly to the upper quadrant and did not give us anything else. That's so crazy.
Bro, imagine if you didn't
wow.
take the
We didn't close anything.
Yeah.
That sucked. I had to get the remaining 5 off at break even. Otherwise,
beautiful.
I knew it was
beautiful.
going to come back through the FP. They're already trading up and down through the FP a lot today, so it may be a day where we should avoid. But thanks, man.
Well, Steiner, it looks like it is a shitty day. It's a seek and destroy, my brother.
It does look like it. There's supposed to be news at 10 a.m. Did your Forex Factory say there's new 10 a.m.?
Let me check for you.
For high
Yes.
impact, at least?
It's not high impact. It's just factory orders month over
Yeah.
month.
I'm not
It's,
sure
yellow.
why Top Step said it's high impact. Strange.
Maybe it's because of their data. Maybe last time it actually moved the market,
Yeah. Well, there was a strong reaction off of that. Sorry, I got something in my throat. We got a strong reaction off that upper quadrant, and we stayed above this down close candle again. You notice that? And all this was a sweep of that wick we were suspicious of. If we can close, like we did here, if we closed above a quarter of this candle, we're relying on this current candle that we're printing.
Good morning,
to
Patrick.
Close above half of this down close candle, or try and get a close above 2100. If we can't close above there, we're just going to be chopping between this range and maybe explore back into this wick again. It's hard to say whether it wants to go to the opening range cap constant encroachment or give us that final expansion for our weekly target. That's why we're kind of just taking it by ear, waiting for the appropriate time, and not falling in love with either direction so far just yet. It would have been nice if they would have dropped it into the upper quadrant the midpoint for us on our short, but that's such a strong reaction from the upper quadrant. We barely got out when we did. I pressed the button, I missed the button trying to close 5, and then it came right back back to break even. So it's definitely a little hairy. What's wrong? Abigail's at school, baby. She's not. She's not home. Come here. Okay. Eliana, come here. You want a juice? Go get you one. Sorry, my monitor wasn't working. I was gonna mute myself, but I couldn't. My daughter's run upstairs for a juice. 1 second, I'll be right back. Let's see if the first presentation will support price here. At 10.
Luke, Lukey, Luke. Why can't Luke hear me?
I don't know. Luke, while he's trying to talk to you.
Silent, that was a great escape from that trade, by the way.
I know. It just turned into it was like a bear trap.
Yeah. So, Hajin said, are we allowed to trade news on TPT? I believe so,
I
yeah.
don't know.
Let me check.
Hey, look at that. We're getting a nice rally.
It says, my brother, only the news that are not high impact. So you cannot trade. You should be out of positions and have no orders open 1 minute before, during, or after the news. So basically, it's like a 3-minute window. There you go.
We just got our first presented trade ready up at 10 a.m. Very strong rally here. This is the move that we've been waiting for.
All right.
Hello.
Hello, Luke.
Hey, Wally, what's up, brother?
Hey, I thought you were ignoring me.
Oh no, I had everything on mute. I was dealing with TPT.
Ah, okay, I see.
They finally deducted the money, so I was withdrawing it.
That's so.
Took part. I had the guy's head from behind me. Yeah, ignoring you when, bro? What did you say?
Oh, I said if you were in silent position and you already finished your fifth day.
Oh, you guys traded already?
Yeah, sorry,
Yeah.
I was sneezing. Would you
Let's
keep
see.
trading or you'll just close it? Thank you.
Nah, lock out, bro. Lock out. Lock out, bro. You
Um,
just got 1600 in your bank that you didn't have yesterday. Now I sneezed.
let's go.
Um, yeah, you made 200 already, bro. Lock
Yeah,
out.
watch this
Silent.
drop down into the first presented fair value gap at 10 a.m.
Oh, the price dropped to the first presented.
10:02.
Let's look the reaction.
Volume balance here.
Silent
Pay
lock out,
attention
bro.
to the. What happened?
Lock your account. Enjoy your payout.
Bro, I'm. This is. Dude. I mean, no disrespect, but let me do what I need to do.
Yeah. Let him do his.
I don't want any influences like that, bro. Come on. I'm literally was about to take a trade.
All right, if you want to take one, take one.
Damn, dude.
It's yours, bro.
Well,
You go ahead. Your account.
It's your word, baby. We're just living in it. Were you gonna long from the first presented?
I don't know. I'd probably just lock out, or I'd probably just be done with the stream here in the next 20 minutes.
You got things to do.
Yeah. I'm getting thrown off already, so I don't want to mess anything up.
Let's go. By the way, you're on the new the new dashboard, yeah?
Yes.
Let's go. So you can actually just run it back. Nice.
If I request today, will it be deducted today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I have to
Arjun,
wait till after the close, right?
No, not on the new dashboard.
Oh, I can request it now?
Yeah.
And it'll deduct 1,500 immediately?
I think so. That's what they said. If they are not lying,
Oh.
I believe. Am I correct, Luke?
I don't know.
I don't know, but yeah,
That's-
you can
that's
request
cool.
right away. You don't need to wait till the end of the day. Ajin said,
Oh,
"Can you
okay.
trade TPT news?" Yeah, just tier one. You cannot on the funded. On the eval, you can trade whatever you want. So today we had NFP. You cannot trade NFP on your funded only. Oh, someone answered it
Okay,
already.
that's a
Cameron.
small lock here. All right. Let's just let me just save that. Oh well, no, I can't. Okay. Well, let's find just one more entry
All right.
on this trade. I wasn't really liking the reaction there initially, so I was trying to give it a little bit more time. See if it'll use this 9-10 fair value gap as a inversion.
Now comes the boring part about trading. Waiting for your trade. Go
Yeah.
somewhere. All right, so the price needs to start moving at this moment. Too much fuckery going on for the last 5 minutes.
Okay, I'm just gonna close it. I'll just save my money. I don't really like this.
Yeah,
And I'm already.
it's a really seek and destroy type
It's,
shit, you know.
no, it's about to go. I don't have the mental capacity to hold it anymore. I'm like bugging out because I just want to go.
You just want to close it, yeah?
Yeah, I just want to be
Okay.
done today. I don't want to do anything anymore.
Yeah, it looks like a good thing to me because doing that, you can actually leave the stream, go to your dashboard, wait for it to get updated, and take your payouts, man. Enjoy your
I
weekend.
know, but I mean, you guys knew we had huge objectives. What? Yeah, upstairs. She wouldn't cut it. I gave her just a little bit though. I mean, we were targeting
Good job, bro. You
like
lucked out.
we were targeting 200 points. You know, like now we're just fumbling it.
It's
I,
all
I,
good.
I don't have it.
Look at it this way.
I can't
Imagine,
focus anymore.
yeah, imagine if you actually blew the account. What
I'm
would
holding
happen?
for you, Silent.
I mean, I wouldn't have blown it. We had the objective.
I know, man. I know.
I'm
But
holding for your objective, Silent. Don't worry. Go get your payout, bro.
Yeah.
Enjoy it. Don't just enjoy 1600 you didn't have yesterday, bro.
yeah, and also remember this time you have 1600 as a buffer compared to last times. You know.
Well, let's see if we can. If price will stay above the 121 level and head up to our objective.
You got SMPs right now.
Silent. Go check if you can get your payout now.
Yeah, I can. I gotta sign the W9.
You can actually do that.
Oh, I can use the same W9 from.
Yeah, you can use the same one, bro. You don't need to fill it again.
Can I just download it from the old dashboard, or let me find it?
Yeah. Good
Wow.
shit, man. You actually made 1.6k in 1 week. That's nice.
And thanks, guys. Yeah, and maybe I'm just trusting it for no reason, and the market actually just goes into crap, and we'll avoid it. We'll
Yeah.
just avoid all the.
Yeah, avoid
Yes.
everything. If you have the money on you, why should you put yourself in the line of fire, you know?
You're right, man. I mean, you know.
Because at the end of the day, you actually did the hard part, which is getting 3.2k in the account, and then this was the last stretch. And imagine if you
Yeah.
went here today and you tilted the shit out and you actually blew the account. That would be disaster.
Exactly, man.
So
You're
take
exactly
your
right.
win,
Better to
be proud
just
of them.
lock in the dub.
Yeah, take the win, be fucking proud you actually did it, and enjoy yourself, man. Maybe
Yes,
maybe
sir.
once you
Thanks,
get the
guys.
payout, take your child with you, go grab a steak at a nice restaurant, and You know, get
Yeah,
get your
enjoy the
mind,
weekend,
yeah,
man.
get your
Thanks,
mind
man.
used to winning. You know.
You're right. You're right. It's just the greed in me talking.
It's all good.
Like
It's all
I
good.
knew
We've
it was,
all been there, done
anything I
that.
made today would just be the cherry on top.
Exactly, because remember that these are 5 days toward the 30-day in order to get the full payout. Remember
Yeah.
that, because we wanna get to that 30 days. um,
You sure I
yeah,
can download it from the original dashboard?
uh, no, you can check your email for the when
Oh, I
you
got you. I got you.
yeah
I'm
yeah yeah.
tweaking.
And then if you have to do it again, just do it via the data that you had on the email, you know.
Yeah.
But I like this change that Top Step did, where you can actually get your payout as soon as you're finished trading after locking your account. You know.
I like it as well. Like, because literally instant on your fifth day, whatever you make, you can take that out as well.
Yes, sir. Yeah, and
And I mean,
also
it's the same day. You can get it like before the day ends.
I'm also proud of the consistency that you showed, Silent. From losing the account on Friday, I believe, to passing a new one, passing it on Monday, activating it on the same day, and then going through it slowly but surely, you know.
Yeah.
I've seen everything on YouTube, by the way. So if you have some time, you can actually compile a video out of that and show all the trades that you took and why you took them. That could be a good idea.
Yeah, that's true.
Maybe you can do it over the weekend so you can remind yourself why you're doing this, you know?
Oh, oh God, we're still in this long.
Yeah, you see, Silence, if you stayed in this long, you would be on the verge of your mental, man, because it's not moving anytime soon.
It's rallying right now.
Yeah, but it's
Australian.
really slow. It's really trying.
Yeah. I mean, it's doing
But
exactly what we wanted it to, but it's
yeah,
fine.
but at least your idea is working out for our
Yeah.
dear Shisha trader, Luke.
No, I haven't. Yes, sir. It's fine. Yeah.
And
Just
Luke,
be
if
happy
it
with
works,
16.
yeah, if it works, Luke actually can take it as a payout too. So he should give
Let's
you a
go.
cut.
Send me 5%.
He should get you another Top Step account.
I have a Booleanox account. I'm gonna activate it with this payout that I just made here.
Oh shit, you already passed it?
Yeah, I passed it the same day that I passed my Top Step one. I passed them both the same day. I just
Let's
didn't
go.
trade it.
Let's go, man. Bro, that's good. I like the diversity.
Thank you, man. It says this link, like it says the link to send the W9 is expired.
Oh, they expired this because you are on the new dashboard, I believe. So you have to write everything from the start again. Damn.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, you didn't download it last time?
I think I did. I just don't know what happened to it.
Yeah, if you download it, just go to your download folder, type .pdf, and look for it. Look, I like what you're doing.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah. So this is on your funded TPT, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, how much you need above threshold?
Yeah, it's already about pressure.
It's already above it, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So if you close now, that's $600 payout.
Yeah.
You see how bad it is when you say that out loud and the idea starts gurgling through your mind?
Yeah.
What's the file name of it? Is it called W9?
Let me check mine, bro. Just put the fries in the bag, bro.
I don't know. I don't know how to sign the W9, bro. Chad had to help me.
Really?
Yes. I'm not
Oh,
joking.
Stomach pick.
All right, let me get hold of Chad. So
But what's your W9 called? I can just find it if I can search it.
mine is a W10, bro.
I think it's still W9.
Well, what's the file name called? That's just W9
It
is
should be
what's called.
W9 something .pdf.
Yeah, it should be like W-9.
Bruh. This is so stupid.
It's
I can't believe I didn't
SMT is still
download it.
holding.
I got
Because what if I put in a different income?
Whoa.
Whoa!
They
Dude.
might want to touch this, so I'm gonna move it here a little bit.
They are not playing nicely today. Fridays.
Yeah, Friday
Let's
is
get
a big
$99.
I hit DLL on my other account, but yeah, it's
shit. What account, bro?
I got a 50K starter that I passed like a couple days ago.
On MFFU?
Yeah, I got it like 10% off, or not 10%. I got it like 40% off, and so I was like, yeah, sure, why not?
Oh shit.
But I don't know. I
It's
locked
the
in my
gamba, buddy. It's the gamba.
I
Maybe
still
they-
think to go up. They're just not letting it go. Yeah.
I don't think they'd even let us download it. So this is a W I could bet.
Let me
Wait.
show Arabic. Let me see. Yeah, let me check mine, bro.
They might want to bring the price down to this opening price, to this change of state of delivery right here, the opening price of this order block, which is basically where our stop loss is. Well, we got this first presentation. Maybe they want to weekend and run. Hopefully they do that. We got previous daily high, which should influx some resistance to the price.
I requested a new link on my email. Maybe it'll send it to me. Oh yeah, let's go.
Oh, is it working now?
Got it. Nice.
I have the old one, yes.
Let's
And
go.
I can just use the old one.
Yeah,
It's
you
the
can
same
just
thing.
fill out the same data, yeah.
Oh, so I should just fill it out on the new
If
dashboard.
no, if you have the old one, then they should have your data. I believe so, Luke. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it says
You only need to fill the
W9. So I
W9
guess
or
I should just
W10
download it and
website.
update it. Just download it and send it to them.
Yeah, come to the
Or
Discord.
should I?
Let's get this
Okay,
off the YouTube, okay?
Yeah. Do this on
that's-
Discord, guys.
All right. See you later, guys.
We'll be right
Peace,
back.
brother.
Thank you guys.
Here, I'll help you out too, Silent.
All right. One second, I'm trying to close down.
Let's see. How much would be risk on this? About Need to risk about 400. Hmm. Let's go for it already. Did ES take the target already? ES is approaching this rejection block. Well, it's not really a rejection block, but it's important to know that. Ah. It responded to this breaker block and previous daily high, but I don't like the wick. This when it does wick like this, the next candles normally continue. They just grind slower down. Even though it looks like it's rejection, if I go on like on the 1 minute, you might see like displacement and stuff, but we're not out of the wood yet. Yeah, we got 24 people in here today. Guys, like the stream. If we get 30 likes, I will do one giveaway. And if we get 40 likes, I'll do another giveaway. If we get 50 likes, I'll get another giveaway. All right. Looks like it might run. So now next target, guys, is this. Midpoint of this wick. It may wick it and then crash. Hopefully, God willing, God forbid, it doesn't do that. But there's like a 60% chance that it's gonna wick this and continue going down. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my extra limit orders. It would have been nice if it got filled out with like a few ticks. It would have been in 1 mini. But we'll just move to break even. It never touched this this first 5 minute first presentation, so it's likely to be drawn to it. So maybe we should take partials. If you guys in the trade, take partials, okay? All right, so right now it's not really respecting it, which is good for us, but you can easily start rejecting. I'm anticipating this to be an order block. I'm anticipating to form an order block right here. Like once we close, take out this high, I don't anticipate this low to be taken out anymore. Once we wick this high. Feel free to close it whenever you want. Guys, our daily target is $200, $300. We're already up 700, so I'm just going for my draw. We don't need it to go to our draw to be profitable, okay? You don't need to be right to make money, but you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 here, just in case. Oh, our average went way below. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. All right, we took 2 off here, guys. We can't preach something but not act on it, right? I can't just tell you guys, oh, this here we may reject, take a partial midpoint of wicks and not take it. I have to take it right there. Because if it does, and it does it a lot, if it does this, then you get like, oh, I wish I took partials, right? And the only difference we just wasted was pretty much $200 on that trade. We secured 200. So now we can actually put this as 2. Maybe even 3, and see if we can grab the rest there. Oh, and W's in the chat, by the way. Finally, yes, it ran over this SMT, which is beautiful. We're about to hit our TP, guys. Get ready. You guys take full partials. If you guys got more than 4 contracts, take them all off. Take the majority. Take like 90% off, okay? We're gonna start trailing. Like I said, once we take out this high, this should be an order block, and the low, we should put our stop loss below this low. So what I'm seeing right now, what I mean by this is that institutional order flow should, once we print red candles and take the high, if it's institutionally bullish, it should not take out that low. It should take only the highs of red candles. It should form red candles, take the high, and then continue. Let's see if that's the case here. It formed the red candle, it took the high, it never took that low of the red candle. That is a sign of institutional order flow, okay? For about tag, it may hit our TP and reject, so I'm not sure if I should take all partials there. Let's take all three. Let's take three. Let's not be greedy, guys. We'll run one more micro. It's tempting. It's tempting. It's very tempting. Pushing our target rapidly. I see a lot of new faces today. Welcome aboard, guys. Okay. Now we should respect the midpoint of this wick. Yes, looks like it's going for this level. 712. This is basically our target, guys. This is the daily BPR, pretty much. I have my TP just below it, just in case. I don't want these one tick specials where it just comes one tick away and then drops. I'm happy getting rid or like missing out on a few ticks. And then our next target is the midpoint of this, the weekly wick. Where is it? This weekly wick, which is 294. Okay, so we're gonna take partial here. We're gonna try to see if we can catch up on here, and essentially we should be able to come back to this volume imbalance. But we'll see how it's acting right now. Right now it's being a little bit gay. I don't want to see this load be taken out. But like I said, guys, earlier, if never touched this first presentation, it would have been way better. I wouldn't even take partials if we just, with this movement, tap this first presentation of today, the 5 minute, and then went back up. I would hold all day. But since it didn't, this is a magnet right now. If any displacement down, it may want to go straight to it and then go back up. All right. So keep that in mind. I really want to move like my stop loss to break even here to allow it to do that, but not sure. Ice Americano. Let's have a look at the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, we have this BPR right here, which we still respecting beautifully. We have this breaker block, which we're not respecting. Well, technically, we're still respecting, but we do not want it to close below the midpoint, which it did, which this is a really bad sign that it's going to dig deeper, guys. This is a whole breaker block. This signature here means it's going to go down. Like I said, let's see. Our stop loss doesn't break even. Give me a sec. I got a phone call. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. So Hajin says, I saw a podcast recently of a famous trader that said testing the 1 hour initial balance rejected 9% of the time. Nah. Those are retail traders, bro. Initial balance has nothing to do with the market. They play it over and over and over. And then the one time it works out, they bank on it. And you just have to read candle by candle. You need to know where the draw on liquidity. The market is drawing to higher time frame. This is the draw right now for the weekly. Okay, that's for the daily, and that's for the weekly. Okay, we're so close to it. We're like literally 3 points. That's the draw here. That's what you should be looking for. We open here. What do we have next to us? This high, this volume imbalance, the midpoint of this wick, this. Okay, we cracked through all of them with an FP. Now the only one left is this one, pretty much, on the short time frame. So study ICT. Okay, study ICT. These dumps shouldn't scare you. All right, like I said, these are magnets. The market is better. It's more inclined to touch these and then run, than just running without touching them. Okay. Well, that rejection could be as little as 10 points. I mean, technically, this trade is almost 100 points. All right. We don't need it to come here. If I close the trade right now, I can just get a payout of 500. I mean, we secured already 300. I can get a payout of like 600 already. You know. You can do that, but I'm willing to hold a little bit because I already secured my 200. So I'm on TPT, so I can just go withdraw that $250 that I just made, that I just realized, or I can close this and take 600, or I can wait for a TP. It's up to your own discretion, right? We know the market is gonna go here. It's either gonna go straight there, or it's gonna come back, piss us off a little bit, come back in here, then go back here. It's up to the market. You can never know what it's gonna do. Our stop loss is in profit. It's at break even. It's fine. We secured a partial. Worst case scenario, you can secure another partial. You know. If you're always scared, we have 4 micros. I'm gonna probably take one off here just to be safe. Let's see. All right, I took one more off. See. Now I can get a definite payout of 350. Don't be scared to click buttons, okay? You don't need it to go here with your full fucking contract size to make money. This is just a practice exercise where you just see if you can hold to your next target, you know? What happens if you took partials here and it ran? Look, I took partials here and it ran, right? But it dumped back in. If I'm still holding, now I'm here. I'm going to be deciding to take partial here or not. I already secured a partial. I paid myself. You get paid for clicking buttons. You get paid for taking partials. Partials paid. Not your holding, not your technical skills, not your knowledge of the market, not your patience of how long you can hold. You can easily come back and stop us out. You never know that. Pay yourself a portion. And the beautiful with take profit trader is that that partial I took, I can go withdraw it right now. Instead of like saying, I just had active trading day, now I need 9 more active trading days, or for top step 4 more active trading days of 200 to get a payout of 0.5%. I can just take this whole thing right now that I made. See, we took a partial and it reversed on it, like it went in our favor. Am I gonna cry? No, I still have a long position. And we can just call it a day here, to be honest with you. But once we hit this TP, like, we can push the. I think we might get big candles, like one big candle, another big candle, and then start reversing. We'll see. Anything new here, bro? Hajin, people on YouTube, influencers, they teach you the simplest strategy because it's easy to teach. It's easy to teach, right? And in hindsight, in backtesting, it looks good. It looks like it works, right? But come apply it on real time. Try to avoid these. Like I said, look earlier, I said this is going to be an order block, and this low is going to be, it shouldn't come back down here. I have my stop loss at break even. I can literally keep it here, right? And secure an extra, how much? I can secure an extra about, I don't know, about 130 bucks of the trade. You can, right? This is reading price in real time. Not because it's an order block. Oh, I put my stop loss below the order block, it's gonna work out. No, I'm talking about the institutional order flow from this perspective. Like if I drop to the 1 minute, you're gonna see the same thing on the 1 minute. Every red candle should hold price. Okay, once we take the high of it, it should hold price. Is it holding? Yes. These are red candles. We took out the high right there. We took the high right there, right? So if it takes out this low, then you know the institutional order flow is now turning bearish. At this moment, you should be scared of your position right on this moment because it took out. This is the first time it took out a red candle as well, right? So you're gonna expect some minor, maybe sweep of these lows. You might see come back to this order block, whatever the case is, all right? Whatever the case is. See, we're even getting a chosh. This moment, I'm now scared of my position because it's turning bearish, right? See? Now you're thankful that you took partials. Like I said, I wanted to come back to this area. I think the next candle is gonna come back here. It's gonna wick this maybe one more time and then run. So instead of like securing 130 bucks, I'm willing to go to break even. In fact, what you can do is we'll see. ES is right now playing this midpoint of this wick. You see how algorithmic this shit is, guys? Do you fucking understand? Look, let me turn this on. This is algorithmic. Where is it? Come on, dude. You see? You see it right here? To the tick. To the fucking tick. That's algorithmic. Now we can see if the same thing happens with ES in Q. It came 1 point away from it. So what do you think? Is this going to reverse from here? No, it's going to come back and try to drive towards this. This has more liquidity than the lows and the highs. So what it can do is it can wick the midpoint of this, come back up, and then still hold this FEG, right? So people who trade 5-minute ICT videos on the internet, they will be longing here, then they're going to get stopped up below the stop loss below this FEG. They'll be like, oh, this shit doesn't work. It's going for somewhere important, right? This is a key level. This is a 5-minute midpoint of this order block. If I put this same thing with quadrants, with like 0.5 as well, oops, you're going to see that it played the 75% level as well. Now it's aiming for the 50% level. And we also have 25% level. All right, you see? Look, you can't make this shit up. So like I said, right here where you're supposed to get scared, it means it's gonna go for liquidity. It's gonna, since it's a 1 minute, it's gonna be a short-term change in state of delivery. It's gonna be a short-term change of the flow of the order flow, but it's still bearish. Red candles are not holding price. This one is. This one still is. These one are not. Why didn't this one hold price? Because this one is probably in. It's probably above. It's in premium. Let's have a look. That one's in this. This one is in premium. This whole order block, right? It's a bullish order block in premium. You need a discount one. This one's in discount. This one's in discount. We'll see. I still think it's going to dig a little bit deeper against our position. I personally want it to come back to this first presentation before running. If it doesn't do that and runs to RTP, that would be much better. But I'm offering it. I'm allowing the market to do its thing, right? I'm not saying, oh, my stop loss is here. It's not going to get taken out. No. I need to know what the market wants to do and how it's going to get there. What it wants to do, how it's going to do it, and how it's going to get there and when. Right now, we have a macro in 5 minutes, in 4 minutes. During that macro, I expect some liquidity to be taken out. Could it be these highs? Could it be these relative equal lows? You never know. You never know. Your only hope is we have a bias to go up to the upside. So technically speaking, it should take out lows, manipulate lows, and then continue going back up. So I'm kind of, and not only take lows, but come back to a discounted pre-day array, this is a really strong one. Now, if we do invest this, if we do end up investing this, it will be a good sign because we accumulated, manipulated to sell side, and we're displacing back up in the draw, in the direction of the draw on liquidity. That's a very good sign. Okay, but I'm still not comfortable. This trade, it's gonna probably wick this and go back down because 5-minute retail traders will probably take in this. Oh, inversion, let's go inversion. Oh, inversion, let's go long, etc. You know, we got this BPR here as well. I need to charge my laptop. Give me a sec. All right, beautiful. Look what happened here, guys. We invest there. We have this BPR, and this is a BPR on its own. I know there's so many stuff on my chart, guys. I'm leaving them on for you guys. I don't normally leave everything on my chart, but this is a BPR. I remove everything. Okay, let's remove everything. We have this BC, we have this CB, we have this bullish FEG, this bearish FEG. That where they intersect is your BPR. All right. That's a good place to go long, to be honest with you, to add to your position. But since I wanted to come back here to go up to our target, it makes more sense. It means that the move that is going to go to the upside is going to be continued. It doesn't need to rebalance and reprice again. But right now, every high it takes, it has to reprice it, because this is a really key important first presentation. It's the first 5-minute FEG of the day. That's why I'm not adding. I'm letting it do its thing. You're welcome, brother. Let's change the music up a little bit. I'm bored. You see how it's still playing 75 level? That shows you if you're on offside or onside, right? Because it on the 1 minute it looks like it's pumping. Oh, I'm onside. It's pumping in my favor, right? All it needs to do is one red candle like this to bring us all the way down here. All it needs to do, that 1 minute candle. So you need to know if you're offside based on what it's doing. What is it respecting? This whole red candles is an order block. This is change of delivery. So that's showing you we're bullish. But is the order flow bullish? You look at the red candles. Are they holding price? These were in premium. They didn't hold price. This was in discount. It's still holding price. That's an order block.
How many accounts are allowed on Take Profit Trader?
You were muted, brother. Say that again.
Someone says how many accounts are allowed on Take Profit Trader?
Can't you
You
get
can
like
have 5 funded, but you can have unlimited pass accounts.
Uh-huh.
Luke, I requested my payout and the funds are instantly withdrew already.
Let's fucking go, brother. Well done.
That's fire.
Let's
So
go.
literally the next payout, if I get consistent by Friday, I can literally request and still trade the same day, which is crazy.
That's
I'm
awesome,
glad I
man.
locked out. I'm glad I locked it out.
You locked out, yeah?
Yeah.
Good on you, bro. Good on you. Feel it. You're 1,600 bucks richer today.
It feels good. You know, the job's not done yet though, but it definitely feels great.
I took a 250 buck payout yesterday, bro. And no, the day before. And I was mad happy, bro. I was mad happy. Only 250 bucks. Look, right now I'm holding a 600-700 buck position because I'm relaxed. I withdraw something. Even if it's a tiny thing,
Yeah,
they add up. They really add up.
you can just chill because you know the money's already locked in, and it's like a refresher. You know, it's really strange.
100%. We're still in the same position. We took 3 partials off, but we're still holding. I wanted to come back to this first presentation 5 minutes, but it just tells me it doesn't want to, but then a few minutes later it tells me it wants to, but then I'm just happy our entry is way below all this consolidation. If you're trying to trade here, you're fucked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you took profits already?
Yeah, we took 3 off.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this Friday price action, man, after data is just meh.
Friday is normally in single direction, so once it starts running, it's just gonna run in that direction. But for it to start running, like I've been saying earlier, it has to bounce from an important level. The only thing I see important here is this 5 minute first presentation. It came so close from tapping it, so that's why it's failing. Every pump is getting sold. So I think once we touch this, we might accumulate a bit, and then we start running for the rest of the day. It running like this means that every pump, every high taken out by a few points is going to reject. Every high taken out by a few points is going to reject. Every high taken out by a few points is going to reject. Because there you go. You see that dump?
Yeah, it's kind of acting like Asia to me.
Yeah. It's a little bit faster.
Yeah, a fast Asia.
So I was mentioning to people that I don't want this lot to be taken out because it's the reason we're having this bullish order flow institutionally. But if it does, I don't mind because it may want this. We'll see. We just have to watch and see. See those 5 minute ICT video makers who tell you, "Oh, IFPG, you take a long here, took a long here, you just got stopped out, and now it's trying to be behind you." You need to know the narrative.
Yeah, I was gonna say they don't have the context that this is consolidating.
Exactly. We know the bias. Okay, bias is important, but how we gonna get there is your context and narrative. For us to get there, we should at least come back to this area, at least. Because look how much liquidity is lying
I
below.
didn't close it for you.
I might even just take one more partial, but I'm scared that it's gonna move my entry.
But it does that thing again.
Yeah, luckily today, every partial I took, it pushed my average down away. I was shocked. I think I'm out of luck though. 500 unlimited evals.
Use code Shisha for 30% notification fee and 3% cashback. This looks like a village accumulation profile. It's priming, as Chadley says. Where's Chadley?
I don't know. He's been quiet.
Hope he's doing well.
The quantum.
The quantum relay.
I don't really know how to read off the 1 second. I can read the 30-second, but like when I look at the 1 second, it's just like, I mean, yeah, you can see like a little bit of accumulation here and then a little bit of a pump and then going back to accumulation. But
Anaton, do you really think I know what the fuck is going on right now?
I mean, I was wondering.
I don't. I'm just putting on for the culture, you know.
Oh, okay.
But as soon as I see a dump on me, I'm out, bro. I'm out. I'm out of that fucking relay, bro. Fuck that relay. Keep it to Chadley. Only Chadley can do it. We should just take one more partial, you know. After this patience, maybe pay ourselves one more partial. Let's pay ourselves one more partial. Oh shit, look, it pushed my entry more down, bro. Let's fucking
Nice.
go.
Hey, that works for you.
Holy
That's
shit.
funny. I wonder what it's doing in that.
Because I think I entered one here, and then one down here. So it takes the first one I entered, so it took this one off, so it put me down here. I took the second one off, it put me down here. I think that's my. Okay, now we watch safe. Now we can definitely just keep it here and let it run for like Narnia, you know. See, I paid myself, guys, 4 times now. 4 contracts off. Does it go to my TP? Good. I was right and I made money. Does it go to my stop loss? Good. I made money, but I wasn't right. Play with that mindset. And you can always re-add them back. If you think the way to get to your target is coming back down here, you can always re-add some contracts down here. And then take them off again. So even though you're still in the same range, you just made double the profit without the market even moving. Or if you're uncomfortable doing that, just keep it at your stop loss. I don't know why, but TPT are withdrawn like dollars and they send me money in euros. I have no idea why. So after this accumulation, we expect a manipulation into a key level and then flip back up. Or it can just accumulate and then move. Manipulate up into a key level, which is our TP, which is our daily target, and then go down. And maybe keep going down. Maybe we're not bullish at all, you know. Either way, I drew a man. Look, Anthony, you see this? I drew a fucking stick man. Look, his legs. He's holding his shield, his head. Oh my god. You can secure $100 as well. Just keep in mind, I might move my stop loss back to break even soon, but we'll see. Let's see if we can squeeze $500 out of this trade. In all honesty, if we take one partial here and let the rest ride, that wouldn't be too bad because look at our entry. Our entry is perfect. You can't even see the chat anymore. The chart.
You got so many things happening there.
This stickman is taking all my chat. My chat. Oh, we're rushing. We're rushing. We almost have a TP, guys. What do you guys think? Chat, what do you guys think? Shall we take full partials, full closure here, or hold one?
Hold one.
Bet. Got you, fam. I got you. Got you. XD down. Why you always in a bar? It's a shisha bar, bro. Look, I have a shisha. I smoke shisha. This is the whole point of the server, bro. It's called shisha. Like,
So if you hold one, let's see. Do we have any targets upside
Yeah.
that it'll just keep going?
yeah, 294, I think. So we can essentially be making $400 with 1 micron.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it.
Worst thing that happens is what? It goes back down to break even stop loss on 1 micro after you've taken off 5. So
No, the worst case scenario is it does this. Whee!
yeah,
that's the worst case scenario.
let's not speak that into existence. I've seen enough of that today already.
Yeah.
I was just going silent. I was trying to long London at 3 a.m. and then it just did this like nastiness, and then in the overnight session.
I totally get that diamond hand ETF, bro, and just hold. Look, if you just bought like at market open, or just before the market closed yesterday, this is where the market closed, bro. If you just
I know.
It's
that's
so
how you
close
do
to
that now.
that daily fair value gap. There's no way they avoid it. There's no way they don't give it to us today.
Yeah, hopefully they give it to us, bro.
I would be so gutted if they did.
Even if you held overnight from Asia, like Asia lows to now, like you'd be in such good profit.
1,400 ticks, bro. Good
It's
profit.
crazy.
Is that what you call good profit, bro? That's generational wealth right
I
there.
was gonna say that's like life changing right there.
And your stop loss wouldn't even be like. Where's the market
I
open?
just made generational wealth in this payout.
Yeah, that's right, man.
Yeah, let's fucking go, brother.
I'm gonna do some. I gotta do some shit in my car. So let's keep doing it. It's happening.
Next week, round 2.
Yeah, exactly. Run it back turbo 3,000 next week. Knock on wood.
God willing, brother. Guys, you have no idea. To get an entry like this and hold through this consolidation without like fear at all, that's probably the rarest trading event you would ever experience. This is a trade you can hold all day. Who cares if you get stopped out? It's just worth it, you know? You can even potentially go to Silence target, which is 300, right? Right, Tyler?
Yes, sir. The lowest target I want was the 200 level. It's the low of that daily fair value gap.
Oh, I see. On the 1 hour chart, yeah, you got this giant fair value gap there. Oh,
I still couldn't find it.
It's on Wednesday, March 26th.
This one? 9 o'clock?
Yep, that's the one.
That's fire. That's 356. Is that correct?
I think that's the. Did you mark the CE of that?
I just marked the low.
Oh, okay.
Well, I mean, I guess, are we going to go for 1,000 picks post NFP 1,000 picks? Sure, why not? Fuck it, let's go to that, guys. But I'm not going to keep my TP there. I'm going to put it down because I'm scared that I zoom in and I forget about it. Like, Oh, we're done, guys. We're done. But then I scroll up, and I'll find my TP. Damn, that is far, guys. What the hell? I'm just gonna move the limit just in case. Alright, guys. I mean, literally, we've been stuck in this consolidation for about an hour and a minute. Not even that. What did we enter? It was an hour and 6 minutes.
Dude, I wouldn't have the patience for this.
The only reason I have patience is because I have the context in my mind. What I think it might be. What I think. The only reason, like I said earlier, guys, when we were out here, when it came so close to this, I was like, this guy's any pump is gonna probably get brought down. It's probably consolidate because it didn't take this. Well, let's see.
I'm gonna go outside and do some sunbathing.
You're welcome, brother. You gonna go sunbathe?
Yeah,
Soak up the vitamin
Oh.
D.
I gotta get
Get that
I gotta
shit.
get tan by the time Draco comes down. I'm
Go
just
get
go
it. You
outside.
deserve it, bro. Go touch grass, bro. Go grab a bunch of grass and bring it to the stream. I wanna see
Yeah,
it.
I'm about to go out and lay out in the sun for a little bit right now. Not today.
Silent, we're gonna be here, I think, for a long time. So I think we will not be able to touch grass. So bring us some grass, bro.
I'll bring you a grass, one single blade of grass. It'll be a rare type. Only from Florida, the Florida grass. You can have a palm tree if you want,
Let's fucking go. I'd like a palm tree. Why not?
because they grow from just a little tiny sprout.
All right, guys, look at this. We manipulate these lows. We formed a breaker block. Standard deviation on ES should take us to one standard deviation, which is here. NQ, similar scenario. This and these. Oh, exactly our target. Look, exactly our target. This
Oh,
is
that's
this is where
funny.
I think it's gonna go. Yeah.
Coincidence? I think not.
Coincidence. So we have this breaker block to hold the price.
Holding close. Where are you going? Sorry.
Coincidence. Another breaker block. These are nested breaker blocks. And another nested
I'm
breaker
not
block.
going nowhere. I'm just holding close. How you think I'm going somewhere? 'Cause I got shorts on? Oh, you smart then, huh? I'm gonna go outside in a minute.
BPL on ES. Breaker block as well. I don't know. I might even long ES.
10 minis.
I really might long one EN. How much would we risk if I long one ES right here? 620. Okay, that's not really bad.
What is that? Like $400 if we did that?
Yeah. Give me a sec. I'm gonna, guys. Don't take this. Don't take this on ES. I'll take this on ES as well. I'm willing to lose $200 on this. Our entry should appear at this BPR, so we just wasted $50 of drawdown. Hopefully this ES trade works out or it doesn't fuck out our trade.
You're crazy, Luke.
Transferring you to
bro.
her.
Yeah,
Or her to you. You're welcome.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no. Damn you, yes. Why'd you have to do me dirty, bro? Yes,
You
why you
bought
gotta do
Dump it.
I'm hedging right now. Not really. I'm I'm not really hedging, but I still think we go.
Have you? Don't open that.
Because the ES won these lows. Oh, we got SMT at the low. That's nice. That's good. That's not bad. But ES still. I'm not really sure. I need to get. We need to get back above this BPR again. We got another BPR, which is. Oh, I did not see this BPR. Oh, I didn't. Oh my god, how many BPRs do we have? ES. I'm gonna have to get out the ES trade. So many BPRs. BPRs mean it's high. It's gonna be high resistance liquidity runs. Okay, so it's gonna wick them, drop, wick them. It's gonna come back to this BPR and then drop. So, do we get out break at this like near break even, or do we hold? It's up to God. How much we risk on this trade anyway? 28 times 12.5, 250. Damn, that's a lot. We're pretty much risking what we have on NQ. Like I said, it may touch this and wick back down. NQ looks like it's ready to run though. I might do risk to 5 points again. I thought I had 5 points. I measured it from this BPR, so that was 5 points. But look, see, it touches BPR. Does it flip down? It can, guys. That's why I'm gonna de-risk a little bit. This is our chance to get out break even, guys. Like I said, this is our chance. We will not get another chance. Oh, okay. Risking $200 on this trade now, I think. We need break even. Feel free to get out. If you took the ES trade, feel free to get out. 24 times 12.5 is 300. Fuck, that's too much. It's better to get out and then re-enter once we invest this. But this BPR, we have so many BPRs. Look, guys, it's gonna go straight to our stop loss right now. I can feel it. I've just seen it too many times. Hopefully not, though, because NQ looks like it's gonna run. That's what gave me the benefit of the doubt to take it on ES. We should have took that BPR for like $50, $20. We'll see. Oh, there we go. See, told you guys, take that fucking partial. So take the trade off at the BPR. It's insane how accurate these BPRs are. We got rejection block. Hopefully it taps it and then just goes back up, but it doesn't look like it. My stop loss is not in a good place. I want to below this breaker, but it's too much. It's too much risk. Bu ne?
Bugün 2 kafa içtin mi?
Yani daha içmedim de içeceğim ama.
Tamam. 6 tane de bir tane bizden.
Öyle mi?
Tabii.
6 kafa çok fazla
6
abi. Ya.
nargile. Nargile kafa.
Ha, bir günde mi yoksa her zaman?
Bir günde 6 tane iç, yine 6 tane. O sende kalsın. Okay.
Adamsın abi sağ ol. Damn, and we flipped. Oh, I got 2 good things. One, the market flipped. 2, they said if you drink 6 shisha, the 7th was on us. So
Nice.
let's fucking go. let's fucking go. All right, I'm thinking of adding one more by the way on ES. Once we close above this, still holding this BPR. All right, I'm adding one more on ES. I'm moving my stop loss to that current low. Don't do this, guys. Don't be stupid like me. We're risking 500, I think, on this trade now. We have this volume imbalance. I will probably take one off though here at this BPR and let the other one run. I may have fucked up. 17 times 12.5. What's 12? God damn, my math skills. Shit. $425 with 2 contracts. We just need to invest this ASAP. There we go. Beautiful. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go. TP1's about to hit. TP1 hit. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Trail, 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 trail. Without risking literally, we took one partial and we're risking about $100. Let's fucking go, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. We're about to hit our TP on NQ. Here we should go to break even, to be honest with you. We secured one more partial, which is beautiful. We're at $430 on about 500 right now on unrealized. Come on, NQ, you can do it, NQ. NQ, you can do it. See this BPRs, guys. If we invest this BPR, we should be good. But this BPR can bring us all the way back down. Ooh, good time to add. Anthony, did you see that? Risking $100 on this trade. Thanks, brother. Anthony, where are you, bro? I need some moral support.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I saw that. I was ordering my groceries.
Bro's ordering the groceries while we're up 500, bro. Oh, about to hit TP.
I was telling my wife, imagine how much money we'd save if we didn't have to order groceries.
A lot. All right, we took one partial. We can technically go to break even here at this point. It may touch this and reject, but let's go. We're up 200 already. Let's go. Stop and break even. Let's fucking go. Come on.
This is on your funded, right?
Yeah.
Nice. That's a nice little pay off your shisha.
Thanks, bro. TP, 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 TP,
Come on.
I'm gonna go ahead and close the ES because I'm satisfied with an extra 300 from there and TP on NQ. Come on, bro. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Did it tap and not fill?
No, it did. Oh.
It's one tick away.
Let's
there you
fucking
go.
go. Let's fucking go, guys. Drop the orders in the chat, guys.
My dude.
My dude. My dude.
Look at that. You're like perfect TP on ES.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so we still have one more micro running. Oh my god, how long is this gonna take? I don't think we're gonna keep it on this channel. I'm just gonna leave it like a break even and let it run. Or should we just close it fully? What do you guys think?
If you close it now, that's nice daily payout.
Yeah.
You already got a nice daily payout with the ES trade too.
Yeah. Oh damn, guys, the patience on this trade.
I don't know. I mean, it's so tasking mentally just to stay in this.
Yeah.
Like you've got the mental fortitude for it, great, but
I don't. This is not my first time holding, bro. I don't.
You picked like the worst day to hold all your trades.
Oh god. You can see I took the long right at the high of the day because I'm anticipating it's gonna continue. Oh, look at the ES, guys. ES is crazy. Cray. Hajin is laughing about my TP. Anybody who tells you there's no emotions in trading is bullshit, bro.
There's always emotions.
I think we're up 1K right now and unrealized 200.
What time is it? 11:20. 11:30. They might do something, right?
Well, we technically hit all our targets, guys. Did we tap into this? Well, we didn't really tap into it yet. But like I said, some fuckery is gonna happen just one tick away. other one, the one tick special. So look how far back we are, bro. Whoa, look at this. I'm kidding, guys. Yeah, see, one tick special, guys. Always, it's always take one tick away from TP. Well, 4 points in our case, but that's like a daily target.
My favorite one tick special was following ICT's levels one time, and it did a one tick special.
I can imagine that. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and delete everything because we don't need any more stuff. So right, we're at 2 to 2.5 area, which is key level. It might start rejecting from here, but let's see if we can go to 3. I'm just tired of holding, guys. I'm at 4 XFAs today. 3 of them out first, so I'm trying to take it. Nice one, Najin. Well done, brother. Let's fucking go. I want to hold $1 too, bro. Can I hold $1 too? All right, anything promises to give the dollar back? I don't know. I'm keeping it, bro. I'm keeping it. You guys have got any questions? Like now, like I said, it's either gonna come back, take this FSG and go back up to target, or it's gonna take the target, come back to this FSG and then continue going back up. So I don't know. ES is definitely coming back down here though. Ugh. Where's the music?
Did it turn off?
We turn music off.
Oh.
Guys, by the way, we are at 35 winning trading days in a row. Thank God. 35 winning trading days. 35. All of them, each and every one is streamed free on YouTube with executions. So I'm not saying, oh, go along here, guys, and I'm taking my trades on a different screen. We're taking it here, me and Silent. We've been doing that for 35 days. That's insane. If you include the weekend, that's like 45 days. Even more. Guys, who's gonna pay for my shisha? All right, ES
I
is
think
coming.
Mayhem will.
Ma'am.
Yeah. 7. Doing laundry real quick.
All right, yes, coming to our target that we wanted to. Hopefully, this should stop pushing it back up, but I'm not sure, guys. The target I wanted is taken for the day, even though it's not really touched yet. My target was touched, but my target was like the avoidance of one tick special, so I still think it pushes back up. It's just building some may say phantom trend line, some may say trend line, some may say low resistance liquidity run below. Retail will probably long this, but we want to actually crack through this to about the average of midpoint of this trend line and then immediately get bought back up. All right, that's what I see. Oh, yes, it's going. Yes, it's running. Yes, back to 930. Do we see previous daily high as well? Not sure. And we got SMTs at the highs, guys. Oh shit. Oh shit. We got SMTs at the highs. I don't think they're gonna play out though. But wait, that's a big ass SMT though. Oh, you guys enjoying the streams? We just taking trades, but like, would you like us to explain more? Would you like us to explain a specific topic? Would you like us to? If you have something to say, go ahead and say it in the chat. Will smoking a shisha make me a Lambo making drinking? Come on. Well, look. There's a psychological aspect to shisha, right? So you hear trading, right? You're just sitting on your hands and just waiting for your TP or stop loss to get hit. You get bored. You not doing anything. The human instinct is like, do something. I don't want to just sit still. Let me click one more button, right? Influx some more dopamine into my brain. Well, with shisha, you're doing something. You're constantly holding something. You're constantly smoking something. You're actively participating, you know? So does it have an effect on trading in terms of patience? Maybe. Guys, I really want to close this trade, but like our entry is just so perfect. Anathan, are you in here? Anathan, remember like yesterday? I think was it yesterday we went live stream or the day before? It was Wednesday. Right here. No, it was Wednesday. Right here. Anathan, remember when we took a trade here? We were targeting previous whatever these levels are. Sorry, it was. Where is it? Where was it? I'm lost. Anyway, I think these levels. So we were trading and we were holding, and then we took out early. We ended the stream early, like our profit, but it just kept going because we had a perfect entry. Does it do the same today? Bro, look at ES. It's so bearish. ES has this 5 minutes gonna go to. All right, that's why it's dumping. If you guys looking, oh, ES sweep strategy short on ES, guys. Shall I take it? What do you guys think? We're holding 930. Alright, guys, don't take this. I'm probably gonna take it. I'm probably gonna regret this, but let's see if we can smack down. Let's just $200 on this trade. I think I'm gonna regret it. We should have shorted this BPI, which is a better entry. Mm-hmm. 930 is holding, touch this BPL and then drop. But will it stop me out first? Now I'm just pushing my luck. Oh shit. We gotta stop down that one, I guess. Dude, wait. We got stopped down that one for $200. And we still have one running. Both of them got stopped down. Well, it's fine. I still see it coming back down here. Yeah. Next candle should flip down. Let's just 200 more. Oh no, don't flip. Oh my god, dude. I clicked flip button. We had a really good entry. We had a really good entry. I'm playing with some profits, guys. That's what I'm doing. So I'm hedging my positions right now. I think we wick this and go back up. Or is it going to do what NQ did and just not come back to it? Yeah, I still see this phantom trend line. We smacked through it. You see guys have smacked through it? But not enough. Is it enough? Not enough. At least to previous daily high. It shouldn't just like sweep down. It should sweep down to a key level. I think this one and these order blocks right here. So we still got a chance on ES. Just the matter of stop loss, how much we're gonna put our stop loss. That's the problem. That's the only issue with this trade, guys. Is where our stop loss gonna be. We got this volume imbalance on the 1 minute, which it may want to fill. I don't know. I was not expecting this kind of pump though. That's for sure. I was not expecting that pump. We have this volume imbalance as well here. Do I add one more? I added one more. Hopefully it doesn't run to this volume imbalance. Hopefully it just flips. That would be disgusting because otherwise. NQ takes out this high and drops. We have SMTs right now, or it doesn't, which is even better for us. Tiny SMT. We might have to de-risk our stop loss though. We're risking a bit too much. We're risking like 500 right now. Let's do a risk. This is a partial and this is a partial. I'm not sure though. Oh no, this is gonna give a push up now. Now it's gonna give a push up because the SMT is just overridden. Nope, we fucked up. We fucked up so badly right now. Thank you. Why do you have to trick us, bro? Next pump is it might wake up into this volume balance and then drop. My stop loss is too tight, but I'm in heavy contracts right now. Oh no! 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 We fucked up, guys. We have fucked up. Okay, NQ is showing some signs, but they're really weak. Yes, bro. Yes, fucked us up so badly. I'm literally hedging right now. Oh no, it wants this volume imbalance. Next candle can go straight to stop loss. Top this and then drop that again. That would force me to take another trade. Let's hope it just goes for this one. It does. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No, it's building, it's accumulating bullishly right now. It's not very good, guys. Maybe we should just close the trade for 300 instead of 500. We're in a really bad spot right now. Really bad spot right now. And it's respecting this order block. Oh shit. I still think we go down here though. Like it's just a matter of where you're gonna put your stop loss. It's gonna manipulate up a little bit, maybe into this rejection block, all these volume imbalances we have. But getting me on my toes right now. It's so getting me on my toes right now. If the next candle might flip really bullishly, guys. This candle or the next one might flip very bullishly. If we don't start moving away down from this moment, from this area right now, maybe we should just go at break even. I don't know. We need one little dump, but before a dump, it should manipulate up into stop without stop loss. I'm so scared, guys. I am so scared. This volume imbalance. If I can put my stop loss just above it. Oh, we got a BPR as well here. Oh my god, I don't have time. 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 Please no. Oh no, he stopped us out. Fuck. Fuck guys. Fuck. We lost like 500 on that trade. He doesn't want it like in Q then. How are we gonna play this? Do I smack along on ES? I don't see it going back down there anymore. It should. It technically should come back down, but it's not. I was expecting this candle. I told you guys we're gonna see a big candle the next candle, but wick this area and then drop back down. It's not showing me that it wants to do that. Maybe add to our position and NQ. Alright, we need to make back our loss. Are they gonna do it now? I might stab along here, guys. Be careful, okay? Or is it gonna go to downwards now? Gonna probably smack along here. Smacked along here. There's $200 on this. No more than $200. See if we can get back our loss. I still want it to go down. It's not going down on neither of them. Even though we're bullish, like on thing, I want it to rebalance these areas. Otherwise, any long we take is just takes out this high, it's gonna drop, you know. Where in the scenario where it takes out this area, then every high it takes out is gonna build on it and continue to go back up. Look at this. This is so obvious bull flag that it's gonna crack below this trend line. We did sweep it, but not enough. We didn't even take a single low out. Leo, we got a sweep strategy short. Basically, our strategy said to go short, so I went short. That's the only reason. But I have the draw lower on that one, and we got stopped out. Which is fine. We just lost some of our profits, about 500. Let me see. We're up 1.1k, so even if we end the day on 300 plus, I'm fine with that. I wouldn't let it go below 300. Think of adding one more NES. Added one more NES. Might not be the best choice, guys. But let's go. Gotta make back what we lost. TP at this rejection block. Fucking ES fucked us up, guys. NQ, look at NQ. It's cute. It's just holding, pushing towards our TP. It not going below this trend line is very scary for me. It's very scary for me. I shouldn't even add it, but we'll see. Yeah, no problem. We're still in profit. I think we're still up like 500. And with this one, like 700. If I close this, we'll be up. Hey, Anathan, AS fucked us up so badly.
Oh, you took the charge?
I took the swift charge shot, yeah. I'm bearish now, but like, I'm long on both right now. Risking 500 to making 500 in here. NQ, we might be able to hold longer, to be honest with you. 199, 199. Come on here, stop pushing, baby. You didn't want this area. You wouldn't like pump this hard if you didn't want this area. If you wanted this area, right? Logically speaking, just scary now. We got this FEG. The reason why I added is we respected it, we displaced, so I added one more here. Now we're just hoping for the best, guys. Honestly, we're hoping for the best.
Maybe we can get retracement on ES. Just keep going. It's only 4 points, so let's just pray for the best.
Right. I don't know. Shall I move my TP up on NQ? It's so much liquidity here, guys. You may touch this level and come back to take them all out. That's what's scaring me right now. God damn. I'm getting scared. I'm super scared right now. Super. Maybe we can just trail our stop loss, like keep it up but trail it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you can try that.
Yeah, that's very wise. But what are we going to be targeting? Oh my god. 242. 242. 240.
Here, draw a fib, a standard deviation from the swing high and the swing low. Let's see.
I did. That was three standard deviation was 204.
Okay.
I just want to hold. It's only 1 micro, but it's printing $200 of profit. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, start pushing, baby. Come on. ES has. We might have to close the TP of ES before NQ. As soon as NQ touches 198, we'll have to close the TP on ES because it's gonna start flushing hard down. I can't afford it on the ES, but I can afford it on the NQ. As soon as it touches 198, we'll have to terminate this trade. Okay. We should take a definite partial here, guys. I don't know. Do we hold? I don't know, guys. I'm scared. Help me, guys. Help me. Write in the chat. You guys are good traders. Write in the chat. Help. Help me. Oh my god. No. We're up 300. Oh my god. It's going to take this high out and then flush back down. I swear I feel it in my bones right now. See? Only because we did not take the key levels I wanted. That's the only reason I'm so emotional right now. Oh no. See, it takes the high and then rebalances. It takes the high, rebalances. It takes the high, rebalances. It takes the high. Is it going to rebalance or is it going to start say, enough is enough, let's fucking go, take it. Oh, we got BPR here as well. Oh no. Maybe partial in ES, you know, I don't know. Oh no, this is a BPR that's been holding all day long. Maybe we should trail. Oh no, imagine this goes and stops us out. We would lose another 500. We'll be back to break even pretty much. Except that 200 that's running on the ES and Q. I still think we got a chance. So long. Hopefully it doesn't leave SMTs here though. Oh, we got SMT right now with the ES? No, we don't. We're not SMT right now. Oh no, see guys, it takes the high, it's gonna rebalance. And it's a BPR. Oh. That's what happens when you don't touch the levels we want, guys. I'm so scared right now, guys. I'm so scared. Hopefully it forms this as an order block. We have this order block here, mitigation block, sorry. And this BPR, hopefully maybe it protects us. Maybe it protects us a little bit.
I think you're okay. There you go. Yeah. It's pumping. I think you're okay, Luke. I mean, look at NQ. NQ didn't drop below the phantom trend line. So retail's getting cooked on the breakout to the downside.
I don't have target for ES though, that's the thing. 712, let's go for 712 then. Oh, up to 100. Ooh.
Yeah, that's why I was saying I think you're good. Maybe trail your stop to below that FBG just to protect yourself a little bit more, de-risk.
All right, TP hit on ES and NQ. Hold on. All right, I'll have to take one off, I think.
Oh, okay.
What do you think?
Either take one off or de-risk yourself.
All right, let me take one off. I'll take one off. Oh my god. Like I said, once ES touches the level, it may start retracing all the way back down. Let's just protect ourselves, okay? And I will keep this at 712. Stop losses. Yeah, break even, I guess. Yeah. I definitely think we come back to break even though. That's why I want to keep my stop loss away. Maybe we can risk $100 on this trade. And see if we can make 500 out of this. This is the longest trade I've ever had. The thing is, NQ hit the target. Look, guys, it hit the daily target. It hit it. Did it? Didn't it? Didn't it? Didn't it? I think so. It hit it. Look, it hit it. Oh, it didn't hit it yet. Nice. As soon as it hits it, it's gonna retrace all the way back down. We're back to 1K profit. Shall I just end it? I don't know. Help! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! No.
Dude, I mean, okay, I would probably just take the profits here. You've already gotten yourself like so high on the day, like 1K's golden on this POS action. But okay, hold on. Maybe I'm influencing you too much. The pure trade. I don't want to mess with you.
No, you're absolutely right, bro. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. We didn't really touch the level yet, did we? We didn't really touch it yet. We didn't really touch it yet. Oh no, ES is going for it. That's $125. Probably gonna get stopped out. 20 years. I think it's time we flip shorts and go target our level down there. Did you see that, Anathan? Like one tick away from the stop loss.
Dude. This is stressful, man.
I'm gonna add one more here, wait.
No, don't do that. No, don't. Okay.
Trust the process, Daddy. Trust the process. How much would you lose on this trade anyway? 100, like 200, like $220. No problem. Already up 100. Come on, baby, let's go. All we need is this. We'll make 500 with this. What do you guys think? Am I being greedy right now?
Yes.
I'm being greedy, ain't I? Oh no. We put a BPR though. Please don't override the BPR. Please don't override the BPR. Please no. How much second? Fuck, we override the BPR. Hopefully it forms the immediate rebalance though. Otherwise we're so fucked. It's forming immediate rebalance. If this candle closes above near the high, we'd be good. We'd be really good. Come on, baby. Let's go. All we need is a BPR. All we need is a immediate rebalance.
There you go.
Oh no. Does it take out this low? Like, why would you take out this low? It technically shouldn't come back and take out this low. Technically speaking. It shouldn't come back. Alright, it did not form immediate rebalance. It did not form a BPR. We're so fucked right now. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm anticipating this to be a breaker block. Finally, I can have a target for myself. Come on, you can do it. Hold, just hold. Next candle, if it flips red, it's gonna consolidate, and we're gonna be screwed. I need this candle and the next candle to flip open. Run, just run. Just don't go back down. If it goes back down, look, this is a signature of accumulation. Pump, dump, and then dump, or just it would start a seek and destroy pattern. Come on, baby, you can do it. I'm anticipating this to be a breaker block, guys. Once we close above it, please be a breaker block. Please. Please. Please, make it a breaker block, please. Come on. 2 seconds. We need to close above. All right, we found a breaker block. Let's fucking go. We found a breaker block. It should stop. It should flip now. We got rejection block. We should take a partial hit. Oh shit, we got rejection block. Oh no. Oh no. Yes, why are you doing this to me? Yes, normally you save the day for me. Yes, please. No, yes. Don't do this to me. Yes. Hold yourself, Luke. Patience is a virtue. Maybe not in this world, maybe in the next world, but it's still a virtue. Stop loss below this huge breaker block as well. Run now. It should just start running, just start spooling. Yeah, bro, I'm in full hopium prayerful mode right now. I actually am, bro.
As ICT says, praying to the candle gods.
Yes, NQ still didn't touch the level. That's the only hope I have. Once it touches that level, it's gonna flip so badly. Hopefully ES just pushes before NQ does. Look how close we are, guys. Look, it never touched it. Look. Oh my god. We're up 1k again, guys. We're up back 1k. Come on. I need it to go through this real fast. Only because NQ has a target above is the reason this rejection block is not rejecting us very badly. So I'm anticipating this rejection block to act as like, there we go. Beautiful. Level hit, guys. We should go to break even now. We have 400. Let's fucking go. Come on. No, don't flip next. Keep going. Oh my god, guys, we're up 1500 right now. Come on. What's NQ doing? Come on. 1 point. Come on. No. Let me tell you something. No.
So
NQ hit the target, guys. We're gonna be screwed right now. We're up 700 realized, 700 unrealized right now. Please don't come back. Use this as an order block. And keep going. Use this as an order block opening price and keep going. Come on. You got another one right here for your satisfaction. Come on. Yes, you know you want it. What's ES's target? 517, 712, right? We still have all the way up here to go for ES in my opinion. It's just a matter of stop loss. On ES, on NQ, we can hold safely. Look, I haven't even looked at the NQ chart in an hour. But ES is a very scary place. Guys, feel free to take partials whenever you want. Don't be hopium like me, okay? I'm being extra hopium right now. Rejection block. We took a swing high, the daily high right now. This is the daily high right now, guys. I want it to start moving fast. Like enough accumulation. Go, 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 go. Everybody cheer. Everybody go on paper mode and paper trading, and then just smack 100K contracts. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Let's go.
Come
It's
on.
only 2 points away, ES, you POS.
Come on, ES, you can do it, ES. Come on, ES. No, ES. 2 points. Shall we take one off? You guys think? What do you guys think? Oh no, ES, don't do this to me, ES. Now it's gonna run down so fast. Oh, let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go. Let's
Okay.
517 is about to hit. ES NQ is about to hit TP as well. NQ is about to hit TP. We hit TPs, guys. We hit every TP, guys. We hit every
Luke.
TP. Stop.
Luke, it's time to lock out.
Let's fucking go, guys. Fuck me, bro.
Lock out, man.
We hit 517, guys. 712, sorry, 712. We hit our tailgate on NQ, bro. I can't close my limit. Oh shit. Oh, there we go. Guys. Let's fucking go. Drop W's in the chat. W's in the chat, guys. W in the chat. We held the whole damn move all day from the low market open, guys. How much points is that? Almost 200. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, you have seen Luke in his emotional state. Let's fucking go.
Yeah, I would lock out now. Or trade a different account that you don't care about.
Nah, I'm fully down for today, guys. I'm fully down for today.
That was so nasty to watch. Good job.
We still have 4 standard deviation on NQ, guys. God damn. What do we have next? We still have our 294 level and 354 levels to go. Okay, but we're down, guys. We were on profit. We didn't close. We continued to trade. We had a loss, but we made that back plus double. Guys, enough. Honestly, enough. I was looking to making 200 today. I think we ended it with like 1700, 1600 right now. All right. Oh, you still in the long? Okay, tighten your stop loss, Leo. Guys, thank you for tuning in. Come join our Discord. I'll put the link above. We're gonna continue. We're gonna go on like a voice chat on Discord, and maybe continue trading there. But like for stream, I'm done. The link is above right here. You guys can see it right above my head, right above this hair. You see this hair? Right above it.
Good job, Luke.
Thanks, brother.
Nice
Join
trades today.
Discord. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. All right. Payout time. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a roller coaster. It was easy on NQ, but on ES, it was just a roller coaster. It was. Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys Monday. Peace.